Frustrated with the d3dx9-26.dll pop-up blocking DirectX Legacy d3dx9? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for d3dx926, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the d3dx926, a version-specific DirectX 9.0 helper extension library, v26. This module manages unmanaged routines for 3D graphics effects, including matrix math and texture manipulation for games released circa 2005. It is mandatory for legacy graphics applications to resolve localized 3D asset manifests properly. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This issue indicates a structural problem within Qt Framework's installation. Reinstall the latest version of Qt Framework from the official site to restore Qt interface 70DLL safely and ensure all registry links are updated. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the d3dx926 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. If you're attempting to install Qt interface 70DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. Review options for improved system responsiveness by consulting the primary tool linked below for d3dx926. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure d3dx926 remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.